This is a 1989 Hatteras Cockpt Motoryacht. She started life as a 70 motor yacht, and in the 90s a 10-foot extension was added. At the time, a 500-gallon tank was added in the extension, so she carries a total of 2,061 gallons of fuel, 251 gallons of fresh water. She's powered by twin Detroit 12V92 engines at 1,080 horsepower each. They have been rebuilt. We do have receipts. From the receipts, the port engine rebuild has somewhere around approximately 1,350 hours. The starboard engine has around 800 hours. She is a 5-stateroom, 5-head vessel. All the staterooms have heads with its stall showers except for the aft guest head. She has a large flybridge with a grill, a bar, Steadhound chairs. She has a very, very nice array of Garmin electronics, Fusion stereos, more electronics than anyone can imagine. I need to go to the full specs to see the full list. Her pilot house has a freezer under the helm seat for extra storage. She has a stainless steel spiral staircase going to the flybridge forward and a ladder across the back. Her salon is large. She has a 6-chair dining room table, 55-inch TV, stairway to the aft master and guest stateroom. Her galley has all the amenities one could want: stove, oven, dishwasher, trash compactor, refrigerator, and then a dinette. Her crew quarters is upper and lower bunks with its own enclosed head. Her forward guest stateroom has twin beds. The head for this stateroom is across the companionway. The generators are under the companionway floor in this area. There is a Westerbeek generator and a Northern Lights generator. Her VIP stateroom has a full head connected also, and in the companionway is her washer and dryer. It's a stackable unit and a linen closet. Her aft guest stateroom has crisscross bunks, and this is the only wet head aboard the boat. All the others have stall showers. Her master stateroom has a king-size bed, an extreme amount of storage, a full walk-in cedar-lined closet with a safe, a makeup vanity, and then the head has a jacuzzi tub. The master head and the VIP heads have been updated. This is a lot of boat for the price. She is sitting in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Call to make arrangements and we'll get you on board. She is seriously for sale. You can go to Berry-Boger Yacht Sales, www.bbyacht.com, or call me, John Gore.